Toyota Hilux 2023. Install double pedal lock. Okay, 2 security. Pull it, press and pull. Okay, second lock. First lock, second lock. If you want to unlock, you have to unlock the second lock first. Okay, if you unlock here, it cannot. You have to unlock the inside one. Okay, unlock outside. Double pedal lock. So now start engine. Okay, stop. Okay, press, pull it. Okay, lock. Now try to start engine. Cannot press the brake. Cannot press the brake. Cannot on. You have to unlock. Now can press brake. Start engine. So brake lock system, double pedal lock. Thank you. Installed by One Biz. Shop location in Balakong, Seri, Kembangan, Malaysia. Video by Andy. Thank you.